Welcome to this tutorial on how to see gamma exposure in Thinkorswim. Gamma exposure is a crucial measure for options traders as it helps you understand how sensitive the delta of an option will be to changes in the underlying asset's price. In this video, we will walk through the steps needed to access and analyze gamma exposure using the Thinkorswim platform. First, let's start by launching the Thinkorswim platform. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Here, you will find the options chain for the stock or underlying asset you want to analyze. To see the gamma exposure, you will want to add the gamma column to your options chain. Right-click on the column header, select Customize, and then find gamma from the list of available items. Add it to your selected columns, and then click OK. Once you have the gamma column visible, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the values presented. Gamma values typically indicate how much the delta of the option will change with a 1-point move in the underlying asset. A higher gamma generally means a more significant change in delta, which implies increased risk, but also the potential for higher reward. Look closely at the different strike prices and their corresponding gamma values to assess which options are likely to experience the most sensitivity. Now that you can see the gamma exposure, it is essential to monitor it regularly as market conditions change. Keep in mind that gamma exposure can lead to increased volatility, especially when many options are set to expire. By understanding and analyzing gamma exposure, you can make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful for your options trading strategy in Thinkorswim.